With the Disney Princess vívofit Jr. 2, vívofit Jr. 3, or accessory bands, the interactive app experience lets your child explore 5 magical princess kingdoms. Things aren't always what they seem to be in the enchanted city of Agrabah. The adventure begins when you join Aladdin and his faithful friend Abu on the rooftops of the marketplace. He leads you to Princess Jasmine, who needs your help to find the Cave of Wonders. Will you be able to dodge Iago and the evil Jafar on your quest through the desert? What or whom will you find in the mysterious Cave of Wonders? Kids need to meet their activity goals every day to find out. And logging active minutes also lets them unlock fun icons, like Raja, that they can display on their vívofit Jr. fitness trackers. But the fun doesn't stop there. Watch the other videos in this series for a peek at the other magical kingdoms your child can unlock.